Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will share 5 tips and tricks that will help you boost your coding productivity. Let's get started.
Tip number 1. Set a clear goal before starting your work. Before you start coding, make sure you have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. Write down your goal on a sticky note or whiteboard so that you can refer to it throughout your work. This will help you stay focused and on track, and you'll be less likely to get distracted by other tasks.
Tip number 2. Break your work into smaller tasks. Breaking your work into smaller, more manageable tasks will help you stay organized and focused. Start by identifying the major components of your project and then divide each component into smaller tasks. This will make it easier for you to track your progress and complete your work more efficiently.
Tip number 3. Use keyboard shortcuts and productivity tools. Using keyboard shortcuts and productivity tools can save you a lot of time and increase your productivity. Learn the most important keyboard shortcuts for your code editor and use them consistently. Also, consider using productivity tools like code snippets, text expanders, and linters to streamline your workflow.
Tip number 4. Take regular breaks and stay hydrated. Taking regular breaks and staying hydrated is important for your overall health and productivity. Schedule breaks into your workday and use them to stretch, move around, and clear your mind. Also, make sure you drink enough water throughout the day to stay hydrated and alert.
Finally, learn from your mistakes and successes. Take the time to reflect on what went well and what didn't in your previous projects. Use this knowledge to improve your skills and develop better workflows for future projects.
So, those are my 5 tips and tricks for boosting your coding productivity. I hope you found this video helpful.